Hi, I'm Matt Brodhead, and I just want to invite you to the upcoming Stone Soup Conference on October 22nd. It's going to be held totally online, and there is such an incredible group of presenters that I'm really honored to be presenting alongside. I will be talking about how to use behavioral systems analysis to improve the ethical behavior of employees and ultimately improve the quality of care that's being provided within the organization. So if you're interested in that at all, give it a look and also check out the other presenters because they are talking about some really incredible and really important things. Another thing about this conference that really makes it strong and makes it stand out is the price. It's being offered at such a fair price that makes it so accessible. So I encourage you to learn more about the conference by checking out the link in the description below, and we hope to see you there.